Walking the ramparts of Akko, where that guy is standing right now. Actually, we saw two people jump into the water, not to kill themselves, but it is quite a distance. I am sure that well, they must be really good divers, jumpers, and beyond. They jumped. Yeah, it's I would say it's pretty far.
I think he killed himself.
They should do this for money. That's what they do in Mexico.
Anybody who jumps is going to die.
No, not gonna die. I guess this is John the Baptist Church. We're walking along the ramparts. I'm sure they know how to swim if they jump. This, well, that's always a possibility. Cracking your skull is a possibility. Okay, so we're walking the ramparts. This is a beautiful view. And yeah, I mean, if you jump, well, I guess divers, I mean, whatever. They're having fun. We saw that in Mexico, but they jump even from a higher distance and they get paid for it.
Wait,
I guess these guys do it.
The divers jump from an even higher distance?
In Mexico, but here they jump for fun. Or they're practicing. Now, how far is the water? It's far.
20.
I would definitely not jump. Yeah, it's far.
Like, what?
I would say, looks like more like 25. If you see this guy and they jump down, more like 25 feet.
How much?
Oh, here it is. He came back. Are you gonna jump again? No? Oh, he went with his sneakers. Okay, that's a good one. He went with his sneakers. Oh, and there's the second one. Cool. Can you do it again?
Yeah, it's funny.
We want to see it again. It was okay, so they jumped with their sneakers. I don't know if this was a bet or this was just something they do, but it is an interesting thing to see. They just jump 25 feet, I guess. They practice.
How did they climb back up?
I guess there's kind of steps or something, or rocks. Oh, there we go.
Steps.
What? Oh, there's steps. Okay. So where are the steps? Oh, yeah. Well, I wouldn't call them steps, but whatever. You could, I guess you could climb. It's a bit of rock climbing. Okay, and I guess they even have something to pull you